So I got home last night, I checked the mail, and look what arrived. It's time for my Boxycharm and Ipsy unboxing. Hey everybody, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. So let's dive in. We got my Boxycharm, we got my Ipsy. We're going to cover my face with the goodness, and I've had a lot of coffee already this morning. Yeah, so let's get to it. I literally woke up, had a couple cups of coffee, and decided to film. I haven't showered, haven't done anything, but hey, why not? Ooh, I got another brush from Crown. It's a brush, highlighter brush from Crown in my Ipsy bag. Yay! I love brushes. I think that's actually part of the reason why it's a big part of the reason. I just like getting stuff. Let's say that. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like today on either side. And the theme this month is selfie with no filter. I'll be honest, I don't use filters when I take selfies, and I rarely take selfies because I usually just take pictures of my dog. He's adorable. So let's see what else is in the bag. I got a Ofra single. By the way, I didn't look at any of the spoilers this month because I like the surprise. It's like Christmas. But hey, an Ofra single in blue jeans, and here's the most exciting thing. It's not gold! Good job! Thank you, Ipsy. If I had another gold, I was like, we're done. Okay, and Matte Waves Texture Lotion from Oribe. You know what? I think that's a hair thing. Yes, glide on into damp hair, defining waves and natural texture. And then it gives me the apply bronzer while I air dry. Shoot. Like I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I'm lazy. Ooh. Another mascara from MAC. This one's False Lashes in the color black. I don't know. Can you see it? There you are. Yay. Okay. And a nail polish from Ades. I don't paint my own nails. I get acrylics and gel. But maybe I'll start doing that after summer, right? But let's look at the color, because, you know, that's how I roll. I want to know everything. Ooh, it's a pretty pink. That actually would be a nice one. Okay, so let's look in the Boxycharm. Once again, I kind of know some spoilers but I don't know anything. I don't, my husband got this for Christmas for me, and so I don't get the emails or anything, and so unless I look for spoilers, I don't know anything. And this month, I didn't do that. Ooh. So Boxycharm, there's, in their thingy, it's Party Animal, or Life at the Party, and I know this is Party Animal because I did see that we're going to get a Party Animal eyeshadow palette from the Laura Lee Los Angeles collection. House of Lashes, Smashbox, Assorted Lip Products, Wander Beauty, Eye Masks, Bang Beauty, Chocolate Eyeliner, oh, and Cuticle Oil. That'll go well with my, also from Ades. Cuticle Oil. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Okay, so I got the Smashbox. It slid out of its package, but I don't care so much about that. In the color Spectacle, and it's a cream lipstick. Ooh, perfect for fall. Let's swatch it real quick. I didn't do a really deep swatch, but yeah, perfect for fall. It's in the color Spectacle. Yeah, that I am excited about. Bang Beauty. We apparently have a gel eyeliner in the color chocolate. I don't use a lot of this stuff, so we're just gonna put that off to the side. I also have a set of lashes from House of Lashes. Guys, I'm swimming in lashes. I bought a bunch from Wish because I thought, oh, we'll give it a shot. I don't use those. Not the end of the world. I got 3 eye masks from Wander Beauty. We're going to put that in the collection because that's a coming video. And Party Animal from Laura Lee, Los Angeles. Where'd I put my... We're going to set that aside so I can find my scissors. It is sealed in the plastic. I am familiar with Laura Lee mostly because she was one of the first YouTubers I watched and one of the first ones I unsubscribed to, just because I can't handle that amount of perky, and it seems like fake perky to me, but hey, whatever. She may just have way too much caffeine for my taste. Actually, I've never said that before. I kinda dig caffeine for me, mostly. Okay, so anyway, Party Animal. It's a kind of a cool, very neat color or packaging. Let's look on the inside. Ooh. There you go. Okay, so it's a party, damage control, karaoke, hungover, drinks, bottoms up. I think I can make a look with these two. You know what? We're going to do a second half to this video. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, I know it's only been a few moments for you, but it's been a few days for me. I'm a little tanner. We did my kayak trip, 12 miles, did a personal record. There's my lovely wrist tan line. But let's play with makeup. The husband's out golfing. Let's do this. So I'm going to scooch in. We're going to try the eyeshadows, the blue one here, and the Laura Lee Los Angeles. I'm going to go in and prep my eyes with the Ulta, and if I look super cute when I'm done, great. Then I'm going to change out of my t-shirt. So I'm going to scooch in and we're just going to play. Alright. Did I just spit on myself? I went ahead and tried on the lipstick from Smashbox in the color Spectacle. I love this color. It's a nice orangey color. It'd be great for fall. But it also is kind of fun with this eyeshadow palette. Now, is this a look that I would wear every day? No. Is it fun? Yeah. Anyway, so, if you guys like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. And if you made it to this part, leave your favorite, leave a zebra. For some reason, zebras seem like party animals.